Hey folks, we are Slone's Wilderness Expeditions and this is our first backpacking trip of this year. We are currently at Red River Gorge.
A beautiful day out here in Red River Gorge.
Yep.
This is April 21, and there are a lot of people out here in the gorge like us to enjoy it. Spring has definitely sprung here. It looks great out here right now. And Catfish and I are currently on the Sheltoe Trace, heading inward, and we may do a little bit of bushwhacking. I'm not sure yet, but we're here and we're going to enjoy it. Right, buddy?
Yep.
All right. I think we have entered a mayapple forest.
Hey, still better than road apples.
Seems to be quite a bit of water down here. I don't know if they got a lot of rain this week or what, but some flooded out trails here and there. But at least that means fire danger is minimal. Alright, we are off the Sheltoe and heading up Rough Trail at this point. So we're just inspecting these boulders here. I think that's just really cool. We've got these iron formations. Almost looks like an old tree stump or something stuck in there. Go up to that, Catfish, and kind of put your hand up there to kind of give a reference for size. Yeah, that's no small formation there. I mean, the way it's got ridges and everything on the side, you wouldn't think that was natural, would you? Maybe it's
Aliens.
We just came off the Coomer Ridge Trail on an unmarked trail. And we're looking for a campsite at this point. We're going to set up base camp. Obviously we've got a creek right beside us here with a great source of water. Over here we have this huge rock wall. It's hiking with Sean would say. That's some nice bluffage. Might even be some caves mixed in there. And here we have one supreme campsite, don't we?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is this a good campsite?
Yeah.
All right. So, Catfish, what do you think of this campsite so far?
Pretty cool. There's some nice seats and there's a creek by the tent.
Yep. We're going to go to sleep tonight to the sounds of the creek, aren't we?
Yeah, and we're gonna have to pee.
Alright, we're doing a little bit of exploring here. Yeah, exploring. That's our new term, huh? We're doing some exploring. So, we're going to check out this bluffage here that's overlooking our campsite. So, you got this little garter snake here, but it really scared the crap out of me because it just all of a sudden just slithered right between my feet. And I just got done saying to Catfish, keep an eye out for copperheads and rattlesnakes. So yeah, I jumped from just a little bitty garter snake. Alright, so first we're just going to see if we can make it to the top of the bluffage.
Pretty steep, isn't it?
It is steep. I think we can do it.
Yeah.
Well, we crawled and climbed our way to get to the top. We're at the top of it, above the bluffage. You can't really get to the edge too much though. You can kind of see that orange spot down there. It's our tent. Alright, we slid on our butts getting back down, but we're here and lived. I want to check out some of this bluffage from the underside. You made it up here, little buddy.
Yep.
Here's that cave-looking thing that you can see from below. It literally is a hole. You can see light at the top.
Yeah.
I don't want to be under this when it collapses.
Nope.
One more thing we want to check out here. Do a little bit more exploring over here. Oh yeah. We got another big old crack and cave formation here. Still leaking, dripping. Back in that cave, little cubby hole, you can see some evidence of a North American knucklehead. Now my guess is people did not put that in there, but rather an animal dragged it in there.
I see. Found this rock from the limestone cliffs. Fell down onto the campsite.
What's it got in it?
It's got quite a few fossils.
Why don't you get that thing wet so we can get a better look at them?
I see something black on that side. Because of the orange shell.
It's like a bivalve or... oh, my name's failing me. What about the other side? It looks like there's some things on the other side too.
See some other shell fragments all over.
So yeah, fossils out of the walls of Red River Gorge. Pretty cool find there, Catfish.
Yeah.
So we're back on the trail after setting up camp and exploring over there. We're back on the Kuma Ridge Trail, heading towards Kuma Ridge Campground, technically. So it's after 3 p.m. Our estimate is it's about a round trip of 5 miles to make it to Kuma Ridge Campground from our campsite and back, to see some arches in the Kuma Ridge area. So we're kind of pushing ourselves now to get on and moving and see some stuff before nightfall hits. Just kind of a random big old boulder sitting there, isn't it, buddy?
Yep. You know what could have made it?
What?
Aliens.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Oh, I see.
Walk right on it. Didn't even realize you was there, huh?
Yeah.
There's your hidden arch.
So that's why it's called hidden, or because it's hidden.
Huh, who'd have thunk? Oops. Pretty gnarly, huh?
Yeah.
We're doing some exploring.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back through the hidden arch.
And hopefully not bump our head.
Alright, we have arrived at the Kuma Ridge Campground, which means we have trekked today from one side of the gorge to the other. From where we hit the trailhead off of 715 over on the east side. Now we're at Highway 15 on the west side. We are off trailing a little bit. Found something on our map just right off of this trail we've been hiking. It's called 22 Windows. I looked down around the corner and sure enough, there's a tiny path right here to get into this rock shelter. So I am attempting it. Oh yeah, you can do that, right? Good deal. So what we thought was not possible is now possible. We are in 22 Windows. So I think this is what you mean by windows. Basically tiny arches all over this thing. This alcove reminds me of the Ohm Dome. A little bit. Come here. This is not the official Ohm Dome, but it has a similar effect.
Okay.
You get an echo from it. See, that's what they call the Ohm Dome. Ohm. All right, the little things we find.
Yep.
This is why we go exploring.
Yep.
Not a bad little find once you figure out where to get to it. Cool beans, cool beans. 22 Windows, Red River Gorge. That was a pretty good day so far, huh, Catfish?
Yeah, it was.
According to my step counter, I got almost 30,000 steps today, which puts it close to 13 miles, which pretty sure was not 13 miles, but it was a full day.
Yeah.
We're ready to just relax now at the campground, huh?
Yep.
Campground in the middle of the forest. So, we're in our tent, our little two-man fly top. We are wore out, what do you think?
Yeah.
Really wore out driving down here and hiking, I don't know, 8 to 10 miles. It's hard to say, but real reason though, I was checking in right now. Just listen. Yeah, with our tent here, right beside the creek. This is awesome. I usually sleep with a fan on, so this is even a better replacement. Peace out.
Ooey gooey.
Nice and chewy. We didn't walk very far at all from our campsite. Back here's another awesome site.
Yep.
Even more secluded than ours.
Hmm.
And no trash.
Wow.
I see another cave up there in the side of the rock wall.
Somebody sprayed North American knucklehead repellent here.
Alright, you ready to try this? Son of a bitch.